So hello guys, today we will see how to convert a document file to a PDF file. Okay, with just 5 lines of code. Okay, so we will use this document file to convert an PDF file. Okay, so this is a document file. Let's convert this in a PDF file. Okay, so first we need to install a package docx2pdf. Okay, it is a Python package which is used to convert document into PDF. So we will go in terminal and type pipe install docs to PDF. So I have already installed this package. So you just need to hit enter and it will automatically download everything. Okay. So let's go to the code. First we will import docs to PDF, import convert. So convert is a function here which is used for the conversion. Okay, so let's write the code. Let's create a variable doc file and assign the document name, which is python sheet dot docs. Okay, and now we will create a variable for pdf dot file. What name we should give it? Python practice sheet. Okay, practice sheet. So we have given the name of the PDF. So let's convert, use the formula. So we will add convert document to PDF. Now we will print this, print conversion successful, and PDF file. So this is the 5 line code we have used to convert for document to PDF. Okay, let's see the output here. So it is converting 100%. So I think it has successfully converted. Okay, yes, here is the PDF file. Let's see. Okay, so we have got the exact PDF file. So this is the simplest way to convert document file to a PDF file using Python. So thank you so much.